TV Premtobre Kasee na aguso ehwe yedemo kwaye nsam foforo mu empanifo ene ankronkre wo mo eka bi wo mu ahia dwendwen kwan a wo mo ebefa so na tukotenafo se Ghana ye ko obi man so ana obi ba ha yentam na obi abekoso yie se wo kopa adwuma wo ho bibi abekoso yie ebetimi agira ne na so nteno wo mo ne aso ye hwe employment and labor relations so ahia edwendwen sa kwan no Adom TV etwaso ansa no bi ebebo ne timu pose wo tukwan akọ manfo froso akọpa adwuma ye no na bibi na epam no ebi eyesikasem ebi ya amanyosem ebi kura etimi eye asetenemu ohaw bi a onipa no edwane afri hu enso mpempi obi wo hono mu a okọ manfo froso akọ ye adwuma onwene enhyehyeye a waye ehu International Migration Policy Recruitment and Advisory Center eye adwuma eko a wondwumadi enhya ban ase oni aban nwumeko awodo bi aka abom a wo kyerɛkyerɛ emusua ene mabunu no ekwan obefa so etukwan akwa ma wodo so a enkwafa ha obia emre wo mu penimpa wo da adwuma eko ya no ene Charles Alan Quenin oni Adom Kasee twetwe ho nkomo
imu ma me no ho besia edo wo ma beji a wo mu medimo mo ba kwe mako that is mako na ye ko ma ho enti ena amaya tisa se ya ye aban any migrants, other associations, where you give reliable and timely advice and information. Send a year to make us they should be ready for some of it.
And wachi and Ambassador Charles Abani, Yawono and a year UN resident coordinator, Emma Omai Ghana. Editu just say UN edin hyehyeye pie gu akwammu a oni oman Ghana e ka bo sebe ya omanfo a otukotena ma wodo so no obefa so abo won ho ban.
Moreover, in cooperation and dialogue between Ghana, countries of destination and transit, to ensure that the rights of Ghanaian migrants workers are respected throughout the migration process and cycle, and partnering with the Ghanaian government, employers, workers' organizations, and indeed organizations like Impact, to develop policies and practices that benefit both Ghanaian migrants and host communities.
Mami obejina mu ema woswafa wono ene shepade ene enwuma wodo so ene Gloria Binoi no so ekyerɛkyerɛ sɛde omanfo wotukotena ma wodo so no ebeboa oman Ghana ewo ekwan bi eso.
Such development cooperation interventions will help on Ghana's economic fortunes as well as diplomatic relations. We need to leverage on global partnerships as espoused by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 17 to hasten our development and transformation.